In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download 11 Labs audio. Easy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type 11 Labs and press enter. You should see the official 11 Labs site at the top of the results. Click that result to go straight to their platform. This route is quick and helps you avoid mistyped links or unofficial pages. Once you're on the site, look for the text-to-speech section. That's where you can turn your text into high-quality audio. If you're already in the app interface, text-to-speech is usually easy to spot in the navigation. Click it to open the workspace where you'll do your generation and downloading. Now it's time to create your prompt. In the text box, type exactly what you want the voice to say. Clear, well-punctuated sentences make a big difference in pacing and emphasis, so add commas and periods where you want natural pauses. If you're aiming for a specific tone, write it into your text, like enthusiastically or calmly, so the delivery feels intentional. Keep the script concise for faster processing, but make sure it contains everything you want in the final audio. With your prompt ready, click the Generate Speech button. The system will process your text and produce a playable result. When it appears, hit play to preview the audio. Listen for clarity, pacing, and pronunciation. If a phrase sounds off, adjust your text and generate again until the delivery matches what you need. Small wording changes can dramatically improve the output. When you're satisfied, click the Download button next to the newly generated clip. The file will save to your device, typically in a common audio format like MP3. If your browser asks where to save, choose a folder you'll remember, such as your desktop or a project-specific folder. Renaming the file as you save it, like Project Intro 11 Labs, makes it easier to find later. If you don't see the download option, make sure the generation has fully completed and the preview is available. A quick page refresh can also help if the button doesn't appear right away. Finally, play the downloaded file on your device to confirm it sounds the same as the preview and that the volume is appropriate for your project. That's all you need to download audio from 11 Labs, from search to text to generation to a clean download ready to use.